Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall SiteKit by Google from WordPress. To uninstall SiteKit by Google from your WordPress site, first, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. In the left-hand menu, navigate to the Plugins section. Click on Installed Plugins to view all the plugins currently active on your WordPress site. Locate SiteKit by Google within the list of plugins. Once you find it, click on the Deactivate link beneath the SiteKit plugin. Deactivating the plugin is necessary before you can remove it completely. After deactivation, you will notice that the Deactivate link has changed to Delete. Click on the Delete link to proceed with a confirmation message will appear, asking if you are sure you want to delete the plugin. Confirm your decision by clicking Yes or OK. Once the deletion process is complete, you will see a success message. To ensure that all associated data is removed, navigate to the SiteKit menu in your WordPress admin area. If the menu is still visible, check for any options to remove additional SiteKit data. You may also want to consider clearing your website cache if you have a caching plugin installed. Once the cache is cleared, double-check your website to ensure that all SiteKit functionalities are removed. Finally, verify that no remnants of the plugin are left by exploring your admin dashboard for any lingering SiteKit entries. Your WordPress site should now be free of SiteKit by Google. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.